Now, for many of us kicking off a new year, the chance to sort of sort through the old stuff, try to get organized. Hopefully that's you, because that's not me. It can be easy to forget that by doing so, though, we have the potential to do a lot more than simply eliminate clutter. Our own Jesse Irwin reminds us how.
I look at the new year as kind of hitting the reset button, refresh, restart, pivot, about face, and let's try to improve upon ourselves.
She's right, it is a new year. It's also cold, there's a global pandemic, and you've got way more free time than you usually do.
And as a professional organizer, we look at this as an opportunity to just reset intention in your home, and doing that by really evaluating what you have in each space. And is it serving you?
Kristen says asking yourself 3 basic questions can help you decide what to hold on to. Does it bring you joy? Do you use it? And is it valuable or irreplaceable?
If you don't like it and you're not going to use it, then let's talk about ways that we can get rid of that item that makes us feel good.
Here's an option. Donate it to Second Chances, a resale shop benefiting the Lafayette House. As an organization geared toward victims of domestic violence, sexual assault, and substance abuse, it's an important time of year for them. And donations make the difference.
This is absolutely a wonderful opportunity for our organization. A lot of times we have donations and we can't keep everything on site at Lafayette House.
As you can see, clothing's a big part of their inventory, but it's not the only thing that helps.
Whether it's DVDs or even just simple little pictures, plates, cups, silverware, those type of things are really a useful something that our clients can use in their new homes.
And sure, while another new purse might not be what someone starting a new life is reaching for, it might catch the eye of another four-stater. Second Chances is open to the community, and its sales go entirely toward its mission.
So perhaps let's say if you spend the outfit behind you is $19 outfit, and that actually will provide over 10 meals for men, women, and children in shelter.
Oftentimes when people know that they are going to be able to donate something and it is going to be used or needed or wanted by somebody else, oftentimes that allows us to let go of it easier.
Helping to start someone's new beginning in your new year off on the right foot.
We'll have the address and link for our Second Chances on our morning show page. Just go to KOMNewsNow.com. Health Watch is next.